For us, WatchGuard is the obvious choice. Over the years, I've seen many different firewalls and different interfaces, and WatchGuard hands down just has the easiest interface with the most comprehensive set of tools for us to use. Hi, I'm Sean Furman. I'm the president and founder of STF Consulting. We're a managed services provider based in central New Jersey. We support about 35 customers in total with a fleet of 150 servers and about 800 end users that we're responsible for. We have customers that vary from anything from boutique type food markets to legal to freight and logistics, professional services. We have a little bit of everything, which is really kind of exciting for us. But really the common criteria with all of our customers is that they can't afford to be down. In our model, where we're providing an all-inclusive managed services offering, as you can imagine, we're heavily incentivized for things to work properly. Because when you're charging a flat rate for a service, every time that we get a ticket that comes through our service desk, we're essentially losing money. Very frequently I speak with other providers and they're constantly being plagued with tickets that are related to malware and spyware and viruses. And it really detracts from their ability to be proactive providers. We've taken an approach that uses about 5 to 6 different layers of defense that are very effective but yet seamless to the end user. After implementing gateway antivirus and intrusion protection technology on all of our WatchGuard firewalls, we've seen a tremendous reduction in the amount of viruses and malware that we deal with. It amazes me when we review the statistics in the WatchGuard interface on how many viruses and malware are blocked by gateway antivirus and intrusion protection. It's great to know that we have such a set and forget type solution. In addition to gateway antivirus and intrusion protection, we heavily utilize the web blocker and reputation-enabled defense technologies that WatchGuard offers. Being able to block a core group of categories at every customer is just a great layer of defense. There's just so many websites that fall into categories that customers should never ever be visiting under any circumstance. About 3 years ago is when we started to leverage WatchGuard Central Management. And I can't say enough about what that's done for our ability to manage all of our customers' firewalls. Having one console with 50 firewalls in it is like an absolute joy to work with. Typically in some of the other firewalls that we work with, there'll be different interfaces or different modules that we have to go in and out of to be able to manage things like application control or gateway antivirus and IPS technologies. But with WatchGuard, everything that you need to get to be able to interact with these different feature sets is all in one single pane of glass. So it just makes it so much easier to do configuration work and troubleshoot problems when you don't have to transition between different interfaces to get to these various feature sets. Onboarding new customers when you have WatchGuard at the data center and WatchGuard at the customer site couldn't be easier. Once the new customer's firewall is in central management, it's as easy as dragging the firewall at the customer site on top of our cluster at the data center. Literally just as fast as you can click the mouse, next, you are able to establish connectivity between your new customer and the data center. To me, that's absolutely invaluable technology. We constantly leverage templates when we deploy WatchGuard products. So, in our firewall policy, we don't just block traffic inbound, but we also block traffic outbound. So, we have about, at least 25 to 30 extra rules in a firewall configuration that most people typically would not have. We consider it very important to, understand what's leaving your customer networks in addition to, what you're trying to block coming into your customers' networks. The ease of use of WatchGuard Central Management has just really been a pivotal component of helping us scale our business. The things that we can do with just a simple couple clicks, really time and time again amaze other providers when I show them. Being able to do firmware updates and configuration changes with just a couple clicks and be able to have all that stuff happen after hours while we're sleeping, we can rest assured when we leave work that we know our customers' networks are protected. I can't tell you how many times I think that WatchGuard Central Management has paid for itself. It's delivered so much value to us over the last 3 years that we've had it that I don't see how we could live without it at this point. It's definitely a big part of our architecture here.